So I hope that that doesn't offend anyone too badly. And if it does, then this is probably not the channel for you because so I have added a classic jumbo in white to my collection, and I love her so, so much. Oh my goodness. She's got silver hardware. By the way, I had someone roll up into my comments and ask me why I describe luxury items as she. And that person found that to be very degrading. And my response to her was, I actually describe anything classic, beautiful, timeless, and luxurious as she. And so, it seems like for other reasons she was getting a negative connotation to that. So I hope that that doesn't offend anyone too badly. And if it does, then this is probably not the channel for you because I do. When I fall in love, I call things a she, and it is out of the ultimate respect for that item. So she, who is lovely, has silver hardware. She is in caviar leather. And again, I'm filming at a time of day, it's evening, so my lighting is not super great. But she's just gorgeous. She's in beautiful condition. I got her fresh out of the boutique. And I was saying on my Chanel 19 review that I wish that I had bought this bag last year because I could have paid less for it because I've been thinking about it ever since. I should do a video on luxury items that I regret not purchasing. This would have been definitely on that list. There's also a Bottega Veneta that I feel like I'm starting to get like, because I keep coming back to it and I keep thinking about it. So maybe I will add that to my collection. But I think that this bag is just so gorgeous. You guys have seen tons of Chanel Jumbos unboxed and reviewed on YouTube if you're part of the luxury community. And it just has all the standard accoutrement. So, the back flap Mona Lisa pocket. This is a double flap, of course, because that's what Chanel makes now these days. And it helps it to hold the structure so that it doesn't kind of crease and sort of collapse on the top. But she's just stunning. She is leather lined. So, of course, she's got the lipstick thing and the interior slip pocket. She's got this pocket here. So everyone is well acquainted with the jumbo. And this is a forever piece of my collection. I will never let her go. I am going to have to be, of course, very careful. I know a lot of you are going to comment that, oh my goodness, a white bag, the color transfer. Facts, you have to be careful about that. But on my vintage collections video, I also showed, I don't know, you can't see it in camera shot, but I also have a beautiful light beige one. Chanel Jumbo, and I'm just very careful with them. And I have an extensive enough bag collection where, I'm not going to be trying to wear this every day. That certainly would be a mistake. So let me know what you think. Would you ever consider adding a white jumbo or a white flat bag to your collection? Let's ask the question this way. Let's assume that you have an extensive collection, right? If you don't already, and you're considering it, would you do it? Some people say, no way, that's just too much headache anyway to think about a white bag. Some people say, oh, absolutely. I can tell you that there is an iridescent white Chanel coming out 20B collection this year, and it is glorious. It is only being made up to a size medium. I've been checking with my boutique, but it is just this gorgeous pearly iridescent white, and I'm going to have to hold myself back from buying that bag because it is just stunning. I did tell them that I want to take a look when it comes into the boutique, but for me, mediums, because they don't crossbody on me, are usually not what I buy. With that said, I think that I could regret not buying this bag because I do think it's a very different look than this bag. It just looks like a pearl made into a flat bag. It's so beautiful. And honestly, it's such a dressy bag that I would probably be wearing it as a shoulder bag to a wedding or to a formal event anyway. So on this channel, I hope that you enjoyed this one. I think I'm going to do a picture-in-picture, or I did a picture-in-picture showing me opening the actual box because I know a lot of you like that, but I figured there was a way to save time here and do a really short video just revealing to you my white jumbo. So I can't wait to talk with you about it in the comments. Let me know what else might be on your list in terms of white bags. I have been on a tear with white bags lately. You can see I have quite a few on my shelf. And if you'd also like me to do a white bag collection, please do let me know. Also, I'm going to put a picture in that lovely Chanel tote that I revealed in my very first comeback video, my luxury name tag. I will also link that below. The 90s Chanel kind of square bag. They're making that in white, and I don't know what my problem is. I really, really want it. So let me know what you guys think about that bag. Would it be weird if I had the white one and the black one? I have so many questions for you. So thank you as always for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I had a lot of fun making it for you, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye.